Nothing is easy in manufacturing, actually. But could you guys just give me a recap of all the recommendations that we can put in place to address these problems and issues?
If I would start off, I would say first thing to do is to put some sort of automation in place for things like tank level sensors, for example. I guess that would be the easiest low hanging fruit in terms of automation. So you're not really introducing a whole lot of automated processes at this point, but you at least know with good level of accuracy what your storage looks like at any given time instead of having to go measure anything by hand. This way you can quickly assess what your overall inventory of all the products that you have in the tank storage really is. That creates a lot of healthy and good data that would help you move forward with more efficiency. That would be number one. Number two, I would say that the real time feedback and interoperation between planners and operators would be very important. And usually that is facilitated by a software system that is designed properly to provide such collaboration between planners and operators. If you have that, it increases your ability to avoid downtime so that the planners are aware of what's happening at the floor level, at the production level, as it happens, instead of waiting for some results, some reports, some papers after something is done. That becomes important for planners to stay nimble so that they can adjust quickly and see what's going on at the plant level without any delay. In addition to that, on top of that, I guess if the system that's in place also allows the planners to model what if scenarios, that creates even more flexibility for the planners that they're more ready to take on the challenges that may come up during the regular manufacturing process and say, okay, this has happened or it's going to happen. We see that. How quickly can we adjust to it? And then if you have the tool that allows you to implement different what if scenarios, like what if I do this? What if I do that? And it allows you to do it quickly and easily and then implement those changes into the actual schedule. That is a big win. So if you have something like that, that's definitely going to help you avoid, again, downtime, avoid waste, and allow you to sidestep the bottlenecks that may be created by, you know, missing communications when you don't have these systems in place.